Welcome to our tutorial on managing indicator disaggregation. Today we'll show you how to enhance your data collection by adding disaggregation to indicators. Let's get started. First, let's understand what indicator disaggregation is. It's the process of breaking down an indicator into more specific components. Take the number of nurses trained indicator, for instance. When you disaggregate it by age and gender, you can see how many male and female nurses of various ages have been trained, providing detailed insights for informed decision-making. Now let's manage indicator disaggregation using our platform. We'll use the example of the number of people vaccinated against COVID-19 indicator. While we can choose the age group disaggregation from a predefined library, other options like vaccine type and country aren't listed. No worries if your desired disaggregation isn't in the library. You can request the system administrator or other authorized personnel to create new ones. They will access the Disaggregations library where they can create disaggregations from scratch or link them to the categories existing in the system knowledge base. Creating disaggregations manually is handy for shorter lists like vaccine types: Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, Sinovac, and Novavax. For the country disaggregation, linking it to an existing category will be a better option to avoid duplications. When the link is established, the list of countries will populate the disaggregation items table and will be displayed in the non-editable mode. Once we've finished, let's return to our indicator and add the new disaggregations to the indicator profile. And there you have it! We can easily select the vaccine type and country disaggregations and make them part of the indicator. Don't forget to apply the selected disaggregation to indicator data points to enable precise data collection. Now let's preview the indicators tracking table to have a clear view on how the indicator data will be collected. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Explore our library for more ways to enhance your monitoring and evaluation processes. Happy disaggregating!